तो नेक्स्ट है हमारे पास फ्री ऑन बोर्ड, जिसको FOB भी कहा जाता है। अब ये जो इसकी डेफिनेशन है फ्री ऑन बोर्ड की, इसको देखते हैं। फ्री ऑन बोर्ड मींस दैट द सेलर डिलीवर्स द गुड्स ऑन बोर्ड द वेसल नॉमिनेटेड बाय द बायर एट द नेम पोर्ट ऑफ शिपमेंट और procures the goods already so delivered. This risk of loss of or damage to the goods passes when the goods are on board the vessel and the buyer bears all costs from that moment onwards. अब ये जो FOB की है, इसके अंदर ये है कि जो भी मतलब कह लें कि टर्मिनल या एरिया बायर डिफाइन करता है ना, ठीक है, वहाँ तक चीज़ें डिलीवर हो जाती हैं सेलर के एंड से, ठीक है। फ्री ऑन बोर्ड में ये चीज़ होती है। और जो रिस्क होता है, ये जो भी चीज़ें होती हैं कॉस्ट वगैरह, ये बायर को पे करनी पड़ती। दिस रूल इज़ टू बी यूज्ड ओनली फॉर सी और इनलैंड वाटरवे ट्रांसपोर्ट। इसकी एक्सप्लेनेशन जो है वो ये है कि इन FOB द सेलर हैज़ द ऑब्लिगेशन टू डिलीवर द गुड्स ऑन बोर्ड द शिप. Since in FOB goods have to be delivered on board, it may not be appropriate for goods which are handed over to the carrier before they are loaded on board, like containerized shipments. For containerized shipments, FCA may be more suitable. FOB, however, is still used by most people to refer to cargo for which freight is collected at the destination and where the contract of carriage is fixed by the buyer. In a FOB term shipment, the seller should handle the export clearance formalities for shipment, pay for the transportation from his door till the goods are loaded on board a ship, enter into relevant contracts of carriage with the various carriers, including any pre-carriages applicable up to the agreed point. Take care of any and all export permits, quotas, special documentation relating to the cargo, cover all risk up to the agreed point of delivery. तो ऑलमोस्ट कह लें कि जस्ट यहाँ पे ये है कि सेलर ने डिलीवर कर देना है पोर्ट एरिया तक या टर्मिनल तक, जहाँ पे डिफाइन करेगा मतलब जो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट है वो उनके दरमियान क्या फिक्स हुआ है, पॉइंट ऑफ डिलीवरी क्या है, वहाँ तक चीज़ें हैंडल करनी है सेलर ने। उससे आगे जो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ हैं, उस टर्मिनल से आगे जो भी चीज़ें चाहिए होंगी वो सारी की सारी बायर को पे करनी पड़ेंगी और अरेंज करना पड़ेगा। FOB term has some extensions such as stored and print, which are designed to ensure that the seller completes the activity of loading. These are used when trading in cargoes such as grain and on minerals, which may cause storage issues if it is left untrimmed, or cargoes such as pipes, logs, which may also cause storage issues if it is left unstored. In an FOB transaction, the buyer needs to take over all obligations from that point of delivery, including nominating the right type of ship for the loading of the cargo, organize suitable contract of carriage with the most suitable carrier. As with all Incoterms, neither the buyer nor the seller is obliged to insure the goods, and this insurance required is not specifically covered in the Incoterm rules. This crucial issue must be discussed and agreed upon as part of the sales contract in terms of sale. Pro advice में क्या है वो देख लेते हैं। The seller's obligations to place the goods on board the ship is due in due time is the essence of the FOB term, especially since FOB is used a lot in bulk shipments. It must be remembered that in the past, the act of the cargo passing the ship's rail denoted the transfer of risk in FOB. Since using the ship's rail as a point for the division of functions, cost and risk between the buyer and seller were not considered appropriate, this was changed to placing the goods on board. If you are a seller selling on FOB basis and accept some extensions like FOB stored or FOB stored and trimmed, it is recommended that you know the exact requirement link in these words. You would be considered to have failed to fulfill your delivery obligations if the loading, stowing and trimming has not been completed. In FOB terms, since the seller has loaded the cargo on board the ship, it effectively means that the seller has handed over the goods to the carrier as well. This also means that the carrier is able to give the seller a transport document like a bill of landing, which functions as the evidence of the contract of carriage and also as the receipt of goods. In some cases, the seller may just receive a mate's receipt as a receipt of goods pending the transport document until the vessel sails. In this case, the seller may be requested by the buyer to assist in securing the transport document at the buyer's risk and expense. If you are the seller, you need to ensure that you deliver the cargo in time for the cargo to be loaded on board. Ships have various discharge loading schedules in line with the ship's stability calculations, and it is important for you as the seller to understand this and ensure that the cargo is delivered in time. If you are the buyer in an FOB term, it is of utmost important that you nominate the right type of ship and ensure that the ship arrives in time for the seller to arrange the delivery and loading of the cargo. If the ship is not available in time for the cargo to be loaded, at risk will pass on to you as the buyer unless you notify the seller in advance of any potential delays. As with all Incoterms, it is important that the point of delivery is expressly discussed and agreed between the seller and the buyer. ये जो थोड़ा सा एक्स्ट्रा टिप्स हैं या जो भी चीज़ें हैं, ये इसमें एज ए वर्चुअल असिस्टेंट हम लोगों को बेसिक जो इसका कह लें कि कॉन्सेप्ट है ना, कि किस टाइम में कहाँ तक किसकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है और कहाँ से बायर की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी शुरू हो जाती है. क्योंकि आपने एज ए वर्चुअल असिस्टेंट किसी भी अमेज़ॉन सेलर के लिए काम करना है जो एज ए बायर किसी भी प्लेटफॉर्म से अपनी चीज़ों को सोर्स करवा रहा होगा या मैन्युफैक्चर करवा रहा होगा. ठीक है, तो उस हवाले से आपने इन सब चीज़ों को हैंडल करना होता है. इस वजह से आपको इन टर्म्स का आइडिया होना चाहिए, बेसिक नॉलेज जस्ट होना चाहिए कि कहाँ पे क्या चीज़ें आप तक हैंडल होनी है और कहाँ से सेलर ने हैंडल करनी है. ठीक है, तो ये इनकी प्रो टिप्स भी हैं, इनकी डेफिनेशंस भी शेयर हो रही हैं, एक्सप्लेनेशन भी थोड़ी बहुत हो रही है. तो ये सारी की सारी टर्म्स जो हैं जो है ना, ये अभी जो हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं ये बाय एयर या सी पोर्ट वाली हैं.